Do you want to edit photo on Instagram? You can edit pictures on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To edit a photo using Meta AI on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon at the top right or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the messages screen. Find and open the chat with Meta AI. If you don't have it yet, search for Meta AI in the search bar and open the official chatbot. At the bottom left of the screen, tap the plus icon and select Gallery from the pop-up that appears. Find and select the photo you want to edit and add text to. Now, inside the message box, type your request to edit the photo. You can add text to the image, add effects, or emojis too. Now, tap the Send button to submit your request. Meta AI will process your request and generate the edited version of the photo. Once the edited photo appears in the chat, tap the image to view it in full size. You can then download and save it to your device gallery for later use.